Yo, not me. Yo, I'm really. I can honestly say that today has been a terrible morning. We learned that Takeoff from the Amigos was killed at a bowling alley in Houston, Texas. Apparently, he was killed by friendly fire from his own homies. He was just an innocent bystander. He was hit by a stray bullet, and that's unfortunate, man, because he was a millionaire. He provided for his family, and it's just unfortunate to see another black man being killed at the hands of another black man. But that narrative is finally getting pushed out there. I see a lot of people out there saying, "Hey, man, it's terrible what happened to him." I mean, when are we going to get to a point as a people where we start to analyze the fact that you know we hate each other? When are we going to get to a point where we stop encouraging, accepting, and blindly ignoring, willfully, blissfully ignoring the fact that our youth are being conditioned through rap music and other factors to kill each other? I mean, it's sad that every single rap artist who's popular right now is talking about murdering another black man. Those lyrics are not about any other race except black people. When you hear that rapper saying, "I'm gonna catch a op, I'm gonna pop a menace top," and you be bopping to that at the club, he's talking about a black man. We don't see that in any other community but our own. We're only 12% of the population, 44 million out of 350 million total citizens. So if half the population is at war, 6% versus 6%, which equals 12, we're all going to kill each other. And we're only a minute fraction of the country. There are some states that don't even have black people. You understand? So when are we going to stand up? And I'm starting to see people stand up. So you know what we need to do? We need to finally put rap music on trial, just like they did in the 90s with C. Dolores Tucker, except this time we need to hear out the perspective, because people will not listen to C. Dolores Tucker, because as a people, we're rebellious, especially when it comes to people pointing out our mess. It's cool to talk about police brutality when it's a white officer, but when we're talking about our own backyard that we need to clean up, people get offended and people don't want to talk about that. They want to distract, they want to divert, deflect. But at the end of the day, rap music and other factors are combining together to adversely socialize our children, conditioning our children to be sociopaths, conditioning our children to solve problems with violence. You understand? Rap does not teach conflict resolution skills. Rap teaches you to kill people. And if you've been gangbanging your whole life, and if you live a gangbanging lifestyle, that's your conflict resolution. If I got a problem, I'm going to kill somebody. Even though I'm in a crowded bowling alley shooting dice, I'm going to kill somebody. You understand? So I'm happy to see that our people are finally starting to wake up. I mean, at the end of the day, we need to get our culture back. We created the blues. We created rock. I mean, we're a beautiful people. We had Sidney Poitier, one of the greatest actors of all time. I mean, where's our culture? It seems like when America had us oppressed and we didn't have any rights and there was legal racism going on and legal segregation, where our culture was at its highest. But as soon as we got our freedom, man, 30 years later, due to a lot of outside factors and things like that, we promote genocide as if it's a great thing. It's wonderful for a young black male to grow up and be sociopathic to his own people. That's great. I mean, that's the way that it seems. It seems like we reward these young boys by making them millionaires, and all they're talking about is genocide and how in 1,000 different ways to kill their own brother and disrespecting their sister at the same time. So and then don't think that I'm only talking about the poor black people that's in the hood committing violence. The rich black people probably play the largest role in this, because when they get their money, they run away. In the hood, you don't have any positive influences. You don't have a judge next door, a lawyer next door, an engineer next door. You have a thug next door. So by the successful black people running away and joining sororities and fraternities, and salute to all the people who have left their fraternities and sororities, because yes, you are worshiping false idols. Study the history of your frat or your sorority and leave it, because your fraternity and sorority is political. It's all about politics. It's all about mobilizing your vote power and all the millions of people in your group to vote for candidates. It's not about improving the black community. If anything, if you join a sorority or fraternity, you're actually abandoning the black community, because I never see you guys in the hood. You guys are intelligent. You're the bright and the brightest and best in our community, and I don't see any of you guys doing anything to make our community better. All you're doing is trying to make yourself better and your comrades in your sorority or fraternity. You're in a cult, and you turned your back on your people. You're the reason why our race is in the condition that it's in. You're the reason why all these young boys are killing each other, because you refused to do your part. It takes a village to raise a kid, and you ran away from that village because you're chasing a dollar. Peace to the gods.